welcome back. Now in this lesson we're actually going to use the spiral tool and the moon tool. So first of all we're going to draw a moon. We're going to use the area type, and I've made a color of orange. I'm just going to move that over there, and I'm just going to drag a moon shape so it's roughly the same size as that one that's filled in there, and hit enter and escape and generate. So now we have a moon similar to that one, so I can delete that one now. Now I want to draw another one, only this time instead of having it as a filled moon, I'm going to click on the area and change it to line. Do the same thing. I'm just going to drag it so it's roughly the same size as that one there, and hit enter and escape and generate. And I'm going to just shift delete that one now. Now I'm going to use my spiral tool, but before I do that I'm actually going to move that across to there, and I'm going to grab those two and merge them, do a Control C and a Control V. Now I have two on top of each other. I'm going to flip them and I'm going to move that across. Okay, now I'm going to just grab those and I'm going to use the line objects at the bottom and merge them. Okay, we'll just put those over to one side. Now when they machine out, I want them to machine that one, then the other line, and then the other filled one. So that's what I'm just going to select those and just generate them a moment. Okay, now I'm just going to use my circle tool, my ellipse tool, and I'm just going to drag a circle roughly the same size as that other one. Escape. Okay, shift delete. Now I'm going to use the spiral tool. I'm going to leave exactly as it is there, just move the properties bar over in a fraction. It'll be line, and I'm just going to drag a spiral so that it has one center spiral and two lines on the outside, and around about the same as that other one. Enter. Okay, now I need another one, so I'm just going to drag that one to make it a bit bigger. Now I'm going to change some of these. For a start, I'm going to unwind that one so it has a gap in the middle, and I'm actually going to just bring this one around a bit further, and then just bring that one around. To about there, and hit enter, escape to get rid of my properties box and generate it. Okay, so now I have two spirals. This one I'm going to move over, and I'm actually going to hit it again and rotate it around so that it will form like a S shape. Okay, so I've got this effect. Now I'm going to grab both of those on my sequence bar, go to View Outline, right click and merge and generate. Now I'm going to change the in and the out, make it go in there and out there, and generate. Now we can get rid of that one. So now that it's a complete piece, I'm going to grab that circle and drag it into there. Now I might just drag that round just a fraction to make it a little bit bigger and generate. Move the spiral up above the circle, generate, merge those together or group them together and move them to one side. And I'm going to grab that one and put it in the middle there. Now I'm lining it up roughly so that that middle spot and that middle spot sort of come in around here. That could be moved down. I can use my arrow keys just to nudge it down a fraction or back up again. Now with this one, I'm going to bring it over, click again and just turn it. And make it so that it just fits there. Now I'm going to do Control C and Control V, and I have two copies, one on top of the other, and I'm going to bring that one down here. Now so they're aligned properly, I'm going to hold down my Control key and I'm going to line them right, which is this one here. And then I'm going to group them. Now I can actually move that down so it's roughly in the center. Do a Control C and a Control V, flip it, drag it over. Again, so that these are aligned, I'm going to select that one, hold down my Control key, that means I've got both of them, and align them at the top and group them together. Okay, now this one in the center here is not quite where I want it, so I'm just going to eyeball that into line. Now I want to grab everything that's on there and group them together. Now I want this to fit in my 100 by 100 hoop. At the moment it's 121 by 118, so I go to my resize button, and the largest size is 121, so I'm going to bring it down to 98 and click OK and generate. Now that will fit now within my 100 by 100 hoop size. So it's going to do left moon, right moon, right moon. Then it's going to go up, first spiral, circle, second spiral, circle. Now I want this spiral and circle to go up 2 spaces, and then that one and that one. And that's how I want them to stitch out. So I've just done a bit of an abstract type pattern, if you like. If you wanted to add another couple of moons up here, then you could do that. If you wanted to add some more circles or whatever you want up there, again, that's just something for you to play with. Okay, another quick lesson for you.